So welcome to this fabulous renovation project here in the Springs. Now the Springs is an Emaar community that is now 18 years old. So these are very old properties. They completely need pulling down and renovating. So you would be wanting to buy this property to put some, muscle work into it, turn it around and make it a beautiful corner townhouse. It is currently 3 bedrooms upstairs, and then downstairs I will show you right now. We have a room that potentially could be a bedroom. You could do lots of work, put in a bathroom, and make the downstairs a bit different, but you've got to have a little bit of creativity in your mind when you're watching. So let's turn the camera around, let's do your tour of this amazing renovation project. Here we go. Okay, so this is where you would walk through the front door and you would come straight into your living area. So because you're a corner plot, so you can walk all the way down the house and then out to your garden. See if I can, I can't, I don't want to break that door. There we go. So this is your garden, okay? So obviously for those of you who are creative, wanting to do the gardening, there's some great potential here. Okay, and we can have a chat about what permissions you are allowed to build and what size, etc. You will see my contact details in the bottom of the video in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss videos again. So this is the doors at the moment coming out of the kitchen, but a lot of people have actually added on a much larger open living and dining as well here, and the master bedroom is upstairs. Okay, but really nice. And then straight across, as you'll see when we go upstairs, you've got the children's park and you've got the lake right here. So this is a lake view. So lake views in the Springs are very in demand, and obviously they command a higher price as a result. So let's come back in through the garden glass doors. Remember, this is a renovation project, so you're going to move in. You're not going to move in straight away. You're going to want to do some work, and if you just see the kitchen. But you don't need to look at the quality or what's going on, because what you're buying essentially now in Dubai for properties like this, you're buying the land and the location, and you pull all of this down, you extend out, and you put more windows in, and give it a complete, thorough renovation. And so many investors, even investment funds, are literally coming to Dubai and just doing this, pulling these houses down, okay? Because the location is so key. So don't look at the detail, look at the space and the location. And here you've got under the stairs a little storage. So when we came through that door, which is on the side of the garden, the front door, so you've got this room which you can pull down, make it into another sort of downstairs bedroom, or you can have it as a games room, a study, what have you. Put some more windows in there as well, okay? And then down here you've got, so that's straight off to the garage. That's where I parked my car. And so that's double car garage outside. And then this is, all the plumbing is in for the laundry, and there's a downstairs bathroom, okay? So this is how it looks so far. You come in the front door, you've got the living area, and then you've got the kitchen in there and the outside. So let's head upstairs and check out what's happening here. So I'm just giving you a good idea of the property as I'm walking. Some of you tell me I walk too fast through properties. So I'm always listening to your suggestions on how to make my videos better. So this is the master bedroom. Again, you're really looking at the space and the aspect and the view. And here we go, here's your view from outside. So we are a corner plot. Here we have it, we're in Springs 5. And you can see here is the lake. So lake views are very, very in demand. This is the lake right here, and of course there's some brilliant footpaths that walk all the way around the springs and the meadows, and you've got the kids park as well here. There is also a community swimming pool. So if we just look down at the garden, get an idea of space, you see what next doors have done, and everybody's redoing their gardens, etc. So let's come back inside the house. So here's the master bedroom. You've got an ensuite. Again, you'd pull all this down and do what you want to do with it. Okay, And that was back down the stairs. And then here you've got the bathroom, which is shared for the 2 bedrooms. You've got a little cupboard storage thingy there. And then here's the 2 bedrooms here. You can see the view out there. There's the wardrobes. Little electric cupboard and another bedroom here with the cupboards. Remember, what you're looking at here in the Springs is for those of you who are into renovations, whether you're investors, whether you want this as your end home. I can give you ideas of price on what it would cost to do the renovation in full. This is what every single person is doing buying in the Springs today. You're not buying for the villa I just showed you. You're buying for the location. You're buying for the fact that you are in an Emaar community, and you are buying because the Springs is very, very central to Dubai Marina, JLT, and all the other areas. And if you look in my videos, you will see me doing drive-throughs in the Springs, so you can get an idea of what it looks like around. It's a really nice, quiet community. Lots of young families here because they want to be near the British school and some other schools. So get in touch with me. In the description of this video below, you'll see all my details. I look forward to helping you next. Remember, you can buy a property even if you don't have a bank account here. You can buy with crypto as well. I will help you facilitate everything through our lawyers, and of course that is our support team when you choose to buy real estate through me. Take care, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye bye.